So what is Heiken Ashi? First, we must know what is the meaning of Heiken Ashi, right? In Japanese, this is Japanese word, and in Japanese, Heiken means average. So that means they are calculating the average of a candle, right? So previous candle, it might be daily, 15 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 4 hour, whatever. They are calculating average, and AC means pace. So they are showing how price smoothly running. They are measuring that thing. All right, that means Heiken Ashi. And why Heiken Ashi are important? It represents the average piece of price. So when price is running, when we are using normal candle, we have seen various type of candle are forming there. Doji pattern, hammer pattern, engulfing pattern, various type of XYZ pattern are forming. But in Heiken Ashi, we will find only 3 type of pattern. I'll discuss. Right. And smooth out the price, display that dominate the trend, and even by using Heiken Ashi, most of the people are finding the trend. So most of the people they are very confused when they are trading in this market. They are not able to find out the trend, but Heiken Ashi candle are indicating what trend right now running and specific time frame. So when people are trading based on like 5-minute chart, so in that case, Heiken Ashi tell us in a 5 minute what trend are running right now. That is the most important thing. All right. So I'll show you step by step how to identify. All right. Next, we must know. First, let me tell you normal candle. Right, everybody, I think everybody knows about normal candle, right? We have 4 parts are there. One called open, close, high, and low. And in between this area, we can say body of this candle. So let me show you a little more here. So when we say this is a bullish candle, for becoming a bullish candle, we need open, and open should be below the close. Have you seen? Open is below, close is above. Then we call this is bullish candle. All right. So here is 4 part. One is low. That means specific time frame price came to this level, and but later in that specific time frame price again push up. So in that area, most of the people are say shadow, some people are say wick, some people are call like tail, whatever you use, doesn't matter. So here I'm going to say like shadow, right? Most of the people are using shadow, wick, whatever. And here you can see this is called lower shadow. That means price retrace or push down again, push up to higher. That is called shadow, wick, whatever you can say. And the next you can see this is called upper shadow, right? In that specific time frame, if you think in 15 minutes, right? In 15 minutes price push up, and in that 15 minutes again push down price, right? So this area called higher shadow or upper shadow. All right, and in between this area open and close, that is called body of this candle. All right, same thing in bearish candle. So in bearish candle, open above and close below. So it is very easy. So I think everybody knows about this, right? So now Heiken Ashi candlestick. How to calculate Heiken Ashi candlestick pattern, and how their like open and close up forming are there, right? So there is a calculation. It's not a very tough, very easy, and we know it very deeply about that. We need how to use, right? Exactly. So basically I focusing how to use perfectly. I'm focusing that thing only. Most of the people are explaining internal matter, their calculation. So to drive a car, we no need to be a mechanical engineer, right? We must know how to drive that car perfectly. That is important. All right. We know like Formula One people are driving their racing car like that. They drive perfectly. If you ask them, nobody a mechanical engineer, right? So same thing here also. We no need to go very deep how they are calculating, what is the formula behind. It's not important that much, but we must know little bit, but we don't need that much. So we must know how to use properly, exactly where to use, exactly why brake in a car, why braking system are working, why when I pushing that brake when car is stopping, we know it behind their signs. We must know when to use the brake properly. That is the important thing, and I'm focusing that thing only. All right. Now, how Heiken Ashi candle are open and how they are calculating, I'll explain one by one. Right. Heiken Ashi candle are calculated from the previous candle. Remember, previous candle they are calculating. Normal candle, when previous candle close, next candle exactly open from that area. But in Heiken Ashi, they have some calculation. All right. So first, high. How calculate the high? Highest price out of the current candle. Similarly, like some candle here, some candle are normal candle like that, and highest price. All right. And open where one open was here, open and close. When they are calculating divided by 3, all are calculating, and next candle higher price are calculating, right? They are calculating previous candle open, right? Higher and close. After that, higher price, and the lower price are same lower price out of the current candle, low, open and close price. All right, and close price are open plus high plus low plus close divided by 4, because there are 4 factor are there. What results comes, next candle are closing are there. All right, open price, a previous candle open plus close divided by 2 is equal to next open candle. So I'll show you exactly in a chart, in this chart. All right, so now see, let me explain how it's open. We need open and close most important. All right, so first you can see this was previous candle, right? This is previous candle. Let me change the color, or the green, let me change the red. All right, so now you can see this is previous candle. Leave it about this candle. Now we need this candle open point somewhere here like that, and close price. We add both of them, open price and close. We no need to calculate manually, automatically they will calculate, right? I'm explaining how they are forming exactly. Open and close, you just plus open and close and divided by 2, because we need average. So that is why we are dividing by 2, because we are using 2 factor, right? Open and 2, that is why there are 2 factor, that is why we are dividing by 2. And what result comes, next candle open at that price. Is it clear? Do you have any doubt how next candle are open? Is it clear? Okay. Let me explain again. So once again, don't be confused. If you have any doubt, let me know. I'm here to explain. Don't worry. So for leave this candle. Don't think about this candle. Right? Leave it about this candle. We need this candle only, right? So we need an open. So suppose there is no candle are forming right now. There are no candle. All right. So just here close in this area. So let me tell you. So this candle close right now here. Right. So next candle going to open. So in that case, suppose here is open. Open is open. Sorry. Here we have seen open. Open should be here. I think open. All right. This is open. All right. And this is close. And close is, I think, suppose 15 or 20, round figure 20. All right, and open was 10. Is it clear? Now we will add both of them. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. All right, now divided by 2 is equal to 15, right? Now we have seen here is 20 and here is 10 and 15 will be somewhere in between this area. So exactly open will be here. Next candle. That is our open. Right? So normal candle, where is close? Here is close, right? Next candle open are there. In normal candle. Alright, open will be somewhere here. But in Heiken Ashi, they are adding open and close and dividing by 2. And what result comes? Next candle open are there. Is it clear? Now, I hope it is very clear, right? So next, how it's close. Similarly, next candle, they are calculating next candle. Same thing, suppose here next candle is like that. Here, next candle. All right, here is suppose open, close, high, and low is somewhere here. I think low is somewhere here, suppose. That is low, right? So in that case, they will add all of them. Open plus close plus high plus low. Sorry, plus low. What result comes? Divided by 4. And what result comes? That is the close. All right, that is the close. Is it clear? Right? Very simple. Okay. Now, the rule of reading Heiken Ashi candle. This is the most important thing. Open, close, automatically they will form. We no need to calculate. Now, this thing we must know how to read Heiken Ashi candle. There are 3 types of Heiken Ashi candle. Remember, color doesn't matter. All right, color doesn't matter. So let me tell you one thing: how to read. If whatever you say, tail, shadow, whatever. If shadow is pointing toward downside, that means bearish candle. Very clear, very easy to understand. All right. If shadow are above, pointing above, that is bullish candle. But if you wanna see this candle in normal, we can say like a hammer type of candle, right? But Heiken Ashi, this is called bearish candle and fully bearish candle, perfect bearish candle. And another third type, all are same like normal candle, that is called doji. All right. What is the logic behind this bearish candle? When they are appearing this type of bearish candle, that means sellers are dominating, strong downtrend. So most of the I'm explaining now, right now, seller are pushing, very strong seller, dominating. So that means by forming this type of candle, it's indicating that seller are still dominating. When forming this type of candle means strong uptrend, or they change the trend, right now they are ready to run upside or bullish. And this candle called bullish. When they are forming this type of candle, both side weak, both side here, both side shadow, both side shadow, both side shadow, color doesn't matter, remember. And that means right now hesitate, the trend are hesitate. Suppose right now prices forming running in a downtrend, after that they are forming this type of candle. That means right now trend is hesitate. Downtrend are weak right now. That means seller momentum are reducing right now, right? And if you have any position in that area, close your position. They are telling. We are hesitating right now, buyer and seller right now fighting. We never knows, either they will continue to our downside or they will reverse from this area. We never knows, hesitating in this area. When they are forming this type of candle, it is better to close your position in that area. Is it clear? Is it clear, right? Do you have any doubt? Okay, if you are clear, then I can move. All right, nice. If you have any doubt, you will please let me know. Definitely I will show you in a live chart, and I'll show you when to. Right now we are just understanding what is the candlestick pattern. There is various type of what called criteria to enter in this market. I think nobody gonna tell you about that one, about that secret. I'll tell you when to enter. By using this candle, we cannot buy and sell directly. I'll show you how to filter when to enter exactly. All right, because most of the people doesn't know, or I don't know they're gonna teach you or not, but I'll tell you secret. Now, benefit of Heiken Ashi. Why is it important for us? What is the benefit comparatively the other candlestick pattern? All right, so smooth out the noise. Noise means what? Shouting, something like that. Somebody are using music, DJ, all are like that same. When buyer or seller are fighting, they are not confirming either which direction they will go. That is called noise. But Heiken Ashi candlestick pattern remove that noise. I'll show you. So the dominant trend, direction and strength, they are showing the trend and strength, both are there. So most of that time we are using different indicator for strength and trend, right? So for the trend we are using another indicator, and strength we are using another indicator like RSI, whatever strength indicator. But using this Heiken Ashi candlestick pattern, we can confirm by using only Heiken Ashi candlestick pattern, right? It is telling us what is the strength and trend, both are. So the direction of trend, we know about that, and so the strength of the trend. All right, next. That is the important thing to remember. Now, all right, so you just focused what I'm going to tell you. Let me change the color here. Show me, yeah, green. We need green. Now I can see here we have seen prices running down, down and down. Weak candle, weak candle, weak strong momentum candle, strong bearish momentum candle, strong momentum bearish candle. But in between this area we have seen two small candles. When we are going to trade by using Heiken Ashi, we avoid these two candle, this type of candle, right? This, not only two, this type of candle, or you can say inside bar. We must eliminate that one. We need perfect bullish or bearish candle. So this candle we call major bearish candle, this candle. But in between this area we have seen two small candle, or you can say inside bar. We must avoid this bar. Remember that thing. All right, same here you can see bullish candle, we have seen strong bullish candle. After that, this candle failed to break previous higher point, so we are not recognizing this candle as a bullish momentum candle. So is it this is uptrend bullish candle, we everybody knows, but their strength and momentum are very weak. Is it clear what I'm going to tell you? We have seen this is a strong bullish candle, oh sorry, bearish candle. Trend is showing us downtrend, right? And strength is strong, but next candle, what when we have seen next candle, that is also indicating a downtrend, but their momentum are, or you can say strength of this candle are very weak, so we must avoid that candle. Don't be confused. If you have any confused, ask me. That is the key point. This is the key point. We need this thing only. You must know that one. Is it clear? We need higher high higher. If you are in position, we should exist. Okay, I'll show you exactly everything one by one. First, let me know what I'm explaining. Are we able to understand what candle we are looking for? And this candle we are not looking for, and avoid this candle. All right. So I'll show you in a live chart, then you comes to know properly. All right. So now, so here we have seen some buy and sell. Leave it. We'll jump to direct our live chart. Here we have seen this is our live chart, and you can see this is Bank Nifty. Now I'm gonna use here two moving averages to eliminate the fact point. All right, let me do back test. So let me take a little more from previous data. All right, okay, from here you just leave. In this area, so at that time I'm using two moving averages also. One is 50 EMA, all right, which is yellow Ola exponential, and the next 20, this is blue Ola exponential. Are you able to hear me right? Some